I'm going to use my Sweet Shop spreadsheet to look at how I can do some what-if modelling using GoalSeek. I'm going to enter a quantity of 100 grams of jelly snakes here, and I can see how much this would cost and how much budget I would have remaining. But suppose that I wanted to spend all of my money on jelly snakes. I might have to fiddle around quite a lot here, entering different quantities to work out how many jelly snakes I can buy for my money. However, I can do this very easily using something called GoalSeek. GoalSeek is an add-on in Google Sheets, so I need to go to the Add-ons tab, choose GoalSeek, and then click Open. You'll see that this has opened up a dialog box. I need to enter 3 values in the settings. First of all, it asks me which cell I want to set and what value I want to set it to. In this example, I want my budget remaining to end up being 0, so I set the cell to D12 and the value to 0. I want to achieve this by changing the quantity of jelly snakes in cell C4. So I type in this cell reference and press Solve. And you can see that the spreadsheet starts to do some calculations. And it has worked out that I can buy just over 793 grams of jelly snakes with my budget of £5, leaving no budget remaining. If I change the quantity to 795, you can see that I have gone over budget. I have applied some conditional formatting to the budget remaining cell, so that once I go into a negative value, I can see easily that I've exceeded my budget. Let's try using GoalSeek once more. I'm going to clear the quantity of sweets, and this time I'm going to see how many fizzy cola bottles I can buy for £3. I go back to GoalSeek, and this time I set the budget remaining to £2, as I want to spend £3 of my budget. I want to do this by changing the quantity of fizzy cola bottles, so I change the cell reference to C6, and then I press Solve. Again, you can see that this is starting to perform its calculation, and this time it tells me that I can buy 638 grams of fizzy cola bottles, to leave a budget remaining of £2.